Today, we're going to talk about the Metaverse.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you like technology videos that keep you updated with what is happening around the world, you are at the right place. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay refreshed with what is happening in the realm of technology. In this video, I'm going to take you into the Metaverse. Wait, so what is the Metaverse that everyone has been talking about lately?
Hey, are you coming?
Yeah, just gotta find something to wear.
If this is a new word to you, don't worry. After the end of this video, you actually understand what this is. I am going to define Metaverse as a digital place inhabited by digital representations of people, places, and many other things. You can think of it as a new version of the internet. Right now or years ago, we defined the internet as a vast network that connects computers all over the world. Internet is a place where people can share information, game, and communicate from anywhere. Now it's more interesting because we can actually go into that place to communicate, share, and work with others. It's an internet you can actually interact with. Mark Zuckerberg, founder and CEO of Meta, a company which was well known as Facebook, has told his employees about the future of the company, which is going far beyond just connecting people through social apps. So why is everyone talking about the Metaverse? What are some of the things that you can actually do in the Metaverse?
It's time for everyone's favorite, work.
Let's look at the working environment in the Metaverse. For the past 2 years, the number of people working remotely has increased, and I think remote work is here to stay. Some companies have actually shut their doors because all the work is now done by employees working from home. Working in the Metaverse creates an immersive virtual workplace where 3D avatars of employees can work together just like in the real world. In the Metaverse, you can work, visualize, and solve problems in 3D. Some assignments and business issues are better handled visually, but it is not possible in the physical world. For example, planners can plan and draw up different nitty-gritty models prior to finalizing a direction. The Metaverse gives you a space where you can 3D model virtually anything. This technology has actually enabled smarter problem solving in industries like construction, architecture, healthcare, life science, and more. This technology does not limit you to the available space or features you can use. Employees are equipped with digital boards, workstations, and their avatars can meet and work on a particular task like in real life, but in this case, without leaving your home.
Wait, where's Mark?
I think he's in the middle of something.
You can already see some of these elements in Horizon Workrooms, which we launched a couple of months ago. Later this year, we plan to introduce room customization, so you can put your own logos and posters in your workrooms. We're also introducing a new office space in Horizon Home, for when you want your perfect workspace to do some focused work or just cross a few things off your to-do list. We're also announcing 2D progressive web apps for the Quest Store, and as a new developer frameworks, they're easier to build. So you can drop in and check on a work project while you're in VR using services like Dropbox and Slack, or stay connected with Facebook and Instagram. This starts bringing more of your 2D internet services into the Metaverse.
Entertainment in the Metaverse. The global gaming industry continues thriving in 2021. With 2.6 billion users and over 156 billion in revenue as of this year only. It is expected to rise with the coming of the Metaverse.
Gaming in the Metaverse is going to span from immersive experiences in fantasy worlds to bringing simple games into our everyday lives through holograms. Maybe you'll play old games in new ways.
So, Barcelona, huh?
Well, it's not New York, but I like it.
New York misses you.
What's that?
I said, let me put my game face on so I can beat you.
Okay. Check.
I gotta try another game face next time.
Maybe you'll go head-to-head with players from around the world.
Like a shop.
Some call it skill.
Keep talking.
Or maybe you'll do things that aren't even possible in gaming today.
Hey Mark, down for a VR foiling sesh?
Now this is more my style.
Classic look. All right, nice. Oh, nice choice, Mark. Ready to shred. All right, here we go.
Whoa.
Whoa, hang in there, Mark.
That's not good.
Hit this section, boom. All right, backflip. Yoo-hoo!
I've got an idea.
Hey, where are you going?
Gotta pump it to jump it.
What? I didn't even know that was an option. You're not gonna catch me now. Take that, unicorn. Oh, Tube City!
Kai, you're out of control.
Don't worry, I'll let you win next time. All good. Oh, that was a close one. You want to go again?
Maybe later. I'm gonna need a lot more sunscreen though.
The Metaverse is also going to carry the music industry. For the past 2 years, we have been experiencing virtual shows. On a virtual concert, a virtual avatar's likeness is projected onto a virtual stage within virtual reality, synced to pre-recorded music. You can also have your virtual self attend a concert and experience the excitement. Wow, isn't this fun?
Jumping in now.
What if there was an after party that anyone could go to, no matter where they were?
This is wild.
Hey, check this out. Charity auction happening. Oh, there's swag.
And when you go to the after party, you could connect with other fans, hear new versions of your favorite songs, and check out the merch that just dropped.
Ooh, I like that.
Well, now you gotta get it.
This technology will take time to reach its full potential because of several reasons. Today's 4th generation connections can just support multiplayer apps like Fortnite, but can't handle hundreds of concurrent streams of time-sensitive data. This is the reason why mobile carriers throughout the planet are burning through billions of dollars to construct 5G networks. They might require even 6G to take this further. Shifting our focus to the hardware. The gadget you are using right now to watch this video might not be able to handle the Metaverse, or cannot, to be clear. Today's even the most powerful computer will not be able to run these apps. You are going to need brand new and expensive VR headsets in order to experience this technology. Given the right tools to access the Metaverse, what is the first thing that you are going to do? Remember, this is a place where you can express your creativity to a greater extent. Share that thing you would do in the comments with others. Thank you for staying up until the end of this video. Please give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified each time I upload. See you in the next video.